Quranic words are وَمَنْ يَعْشُ عَنْ ذِكْرِ الرَّحْمَنِ نُقَيِّضْ لَهُ شَيْطَانًا فَهُوَ لَهُ قَرِينٌ. So God says, we shall depute a devil on the person who evades the remembrance of the merciful, and he shall be his companion. So basically, what is being said is that if you continue to forget God, if you continue to maybe not realize that you have to keep Him in remembrance, then what God is going to do as a punishment is that He will depute a devil. I mean, uh, from the progeny of Satan, and that person or that devil is going to be with you all the time, and he is going to lead you astray. He's going to uh, whisper all sorts of evil suggestions in your heart, in your mind, and as the Quran says, فَهُوَ لَهُ قَرِينٌ, he'll become your companion, he'll become your friend. So this is not something figurative, this is something literal. So literally the Quran says that if you continue to evade God's guidance, if you continue to evade his remembrance, then he, as a punishment, God as a punishment, will push you deeper into these bad things by making a devil who don't who you will not be able to see him, but he would be, he would be accompanying you, and he would be whispering these evil suggestions to you. He would be making you do bad things and luring you away from the path of God. So this is the punishment of not remembering God. This is a punishment that God says that if you're not attentive to his needs, that's going to happen. So again, this is something that we have to understand, that the opposite is that if you adhere strongly to the prayer, if you adhere to what the prayer is, then you will be in the company of angels. You will be in the company of God. But if you don't, then you'll be in the company of devils. So it's basically telling us that if you want God's mercy and if you want his angels to surround you and to help you and to pray for you and to make things easier for you, then you have to be a person who's always God conscious and God connected. But if you don't do this, then the negative outcome of this would be that uh, the devil and his companions would become your companions, and they will be all around you. They'll be leading you to bad things, and then such will be the extent of this that you will not able to remember what you're doing, and you will not care whether you're doing something right or wrong, and you will be led into sin very easily.